evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will wait for some more time.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt in solving those practice assignments given in week 4.
Yeah. It will be
So there
discussed.
is a special new type of questions which is named as EMQ questions. So what's it and how to solve those? And
Yeah,
I'm not able to enter the values also.
they gave you the instructions clearly. Just follow those instructions. I mean, like, did you see? I mean, like, mock. I mean, like, practice questions for EMQ.
Sir, it is mandatory to solve the EMQ
No.
question.
Not mandatory. Like, it is like if you solve them, that's why they give you a lot of time. Like the deadline for EMQ is not is very high. Did you see that? If you solve the EMQ questions, like it is like it is confirmed that you
Practice
have
purpose.
you have known the concept really well. Like the main aim of the EMQ questions is like going deep into the concept, like applying the concept what you have learned in the classes. Are you able to get that?
Sir, but I'm not able to upload the answers into the portal.
Just you can mail it to support team, like just
Okay, sir.
only 36 numbers. Why? What is happening?
Sir, yesterday we are getting the link of class on WhatsApp, but today we have not get the link.
For which stats on? Or
Yes, sir, stats. Yesterday we
Just-
are getting the link, so the number of student is 150 plus. But today we are not getting the link, so student is 30 plus.
can we wait for 5 more minutes?
Okay, sir.
In the meanwhile, just inform your friends, like
Is it visible?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, where will we get previous year qualifier questions?
I think they have uploaded in the portal, no?
Where, sir?
I think in the supplementary contents. Just check there. The supplementary contents are mock.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm starting the session. Like, I think this session is mostly doubt clearing session. You can ask the doubts except like graded assignment questions. In the meanwhile, I will try to brief the week 4 contents. Okay. Let us start the session. Yeah, someone raised their hand. TK and Pranjak. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
audible.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, I wanted to ask about a specific topic, association between categorical variable and relative and about that whole topic, like row wise
Yeah.
frequency.
Yeah.
I had a confusion in both of those topics because after that, when I started doing exercise 4.3, I was stuck between two questions, 2 and 3. So
Okay.
can you explain the whole topic or summarize the topic, how to differentiate between those two? And can you please solve those two questions?
Okay. Sure. Look, this session is completely doubts clearing. But first 45 minutes, I will walk you through week 4 contents so that while explaining these week 4 contents, some of your doubts will get resolved. Okay, is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, which subject?
Stats 1.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You can, if someone has doubt in between, you can just type, like, you can use the chat box. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
So what does week 4 deals about? Like,
Sir, row relative frequencies, column relative frequency.
no, what is the title? Like, title. Look, deals about the association between two variables.
Sir, dichotomous.
How strongly they are related to each other.
Yeah. Look, association of two variables. Look, these two variables is a catch-hitter. Why? Look, you know the types of variables. What are the types of variables?
4. Question.
Category,
Categorical or numerical.
numerical.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. And then, so you can associate between. So association can happen between. Can happen between
two variables.
two categorical variables
and numerical variables.
or two numerical variables or one categorical and
Association between
one
two categorical variable and association between the two numerical
one
variable.
numerical variable. So in the first case, we will discuss association between two categorical variables. So actually, I'm following the same example. Like I'm using the just wait a moment.
Now we are discussing. So this is what I have said because of the rain.
Look, first we are dealing with association between two categorical variables. Two categorical variables. Look, okay, I'm taking the example. Look, first, what is meant by association? Look, I want to break this. What is meant by association? Association. Association deals with whether the effect of one variable directly or indirectly affects other variable. For example, let us take an example. Let us take an example.
Subject goals.
Question. What is your doubt here? Sir, I got the
Someone asked me doubt on like 4.1, 4.2 activity question. Nah? We'll take that data itself. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us take an example. Like how can we tell that there is association between variables? Two variables. So guys, how can we tell? Using contingency table or using We are dealing with categorical variables. So we won't use scatter plot. What are the using relative frequency? Of rows or columns. Well, there is other thing which is known as 100% bar chart. 100% stacked bar chart. Don't worry, I will discuss all this using example.
Association between the two variables.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, I'm audible. I'm taking the example of the question. This 4.2 question number 1.
Sir, is it a doubt clearing session or questions?
Yeah, doubt clearing session. Someone asked me this like 4.2 question number 1. So I'm explaining something and I'm explaining that. Okay.
Can you please once scroll up? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Said that
Who is browsing in internet to buy an item?
and the
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, everyone go through the, to the 4.2 question number 2. Like the in this they have given two websites. A and B. Both are categorical variables. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, both are categorical variables. And then they have given the buying, like buying the items. Now, look, this data is like in a descriptive manner. So first step one, you have to construct hello. Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What should you construct to see? I mean, like whether there is association between, yeah, contingency table. Contingency table. Look, how will you construct? Look, just there are like two websites, A, B websites, and buying the items. What are the possibilities? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, buying or no? And then now we will break the question, like to know whether a person who is browsing in internet to buy an item depends upon the website or not. Data is collected. Total there are 1,500 people. Total equal to 1,500. And then on which 2/3 visit website B. So the person who visit website B, number of people visit website B is equal to 2/3 into 1,500. That equal to 1,000. And then coming to that means number of people visit website A. How many people will visit website A?
Good enough.
1,500 minus 1,000. That equal to 500 people.
500.
Look, and they also said that 300 people bought an item from website A. They clearly gave 300 people bought an item. That means 300 is here because 300 people bought an item from website A. Yes, website A. And then didn't bought the website, I mean from website A are 200. Why? 500 minus 300. Are you able to understand? Are you
Yes,
following,
sir.
guys? Yeah. And then coming to, so here the total is 500. Row total is 500. Listen this carefully. And coming to the B, we know the B row total 1,000. And 900 people who visited website B did not buy an item. So clearly 900 are no. Look, B and no, 900 people. I'm coming to the remaining 1,000 minus 900, 200. Agree?
100.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Clear till now?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Now, question is whether there is an association between website and the buying. How will you find this? Hello?
So we'll check the ratio of buying and non-buying.
Look, that is known as relative frequency. Check the relative frequency. Check the.
So sorry, one question. How did you get
Yeah.
200
for website B?
It's
Look,
100.
yeah. Oh, sorry. Just I'm sorry, just wait. 1000 minus 900, 100. There is small mistake. 100. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now contingency table did not end here. We have to add the column total also. 400, 300 plus 100, 400, down 100 and 1500. This complete set is known as contingency table. This complete table. Okay, clear till now?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Now we have to check the relative frequency to know whether there is an association between the website and the buying. So what is the relative frequency? There are like two ways, like row relative frequency, column relative frequency. Now I'm doing the row relative frequency. Yes, no, A, B, 300, 200, and I'm just writing the contingency table here.
No problem.
Total is 500, 1000,
1500.
1500, 400, down 100. So first we are doing row relative frequency. RF is relative frequency. So select a first row. I'm selecting this row first. Yes, no, yeah. Look, 300 divided by total of the row, 500. And no, 200 divided by 500. And the same goes for row B. 100 divided by 1000. 900 divided by 1000. And then what is the 3 by 5 value like?
0.6.
0.6. 2 by 5? 0.4.
0.4.
0.1. 0.9. Look, here 0.6 and 0.4. On the top there is 0.6 and 0.4. And on the for the B there is 0.1 and 0.4. 0.9. What can you conclude?
Equal to 1.
Hello.
Equal to 1.
No, I'm asking about association. I'm asking about association, whether whether they are associated or not. Hello.
Associated only, sir.
Yeah, they are associated.
Associated.
Yes, sir, they are.
Yes.
Okay, someone's there. Some like.
वो कहता है ना मैंने उससे पूछा मैंने कहा एडमिशन का क्या है तू भी क्लासेस वाले कितने टाइम में
6 से 8 है वैसे बोल
तो वो कहता है मैंने उससे पूछा तो एडमिशन का क्या है तो कहता है कि ना मैंने कहा
Can
तेरी
you mute
एडमिशन
someone?
मैंने
Please
कहा तक उन्होंने बताया कि मेरी एडमिशन सीधा होनी चाहिए मेरे कहना मैंने राघव का यूजर आईडी और तेरा सब कुछ मैंने लिखा एंड मैंने कहता ये मेन है मतलब बंदा है
Sir, you can
मैंने
mute.
खोल दिया कहता राघव को क्या तो वो फॉर्म भर दे क्या जिन्हें फॉर्म
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, not associated.
Associated.
Everyone is saying
The
why?
condition.
Associated. So not able to see the screen.
Associated.
Yes.
Your screen is invisible.
Hello, everyone able to see the screen?
No, sir, it's not visible.
No, sir.
Now,
Yes.
For example,
we have. Fine.
look, associated. Why? There is why? Because there is no match between row relative frequency. Agree? Hello.
Yes,
sir.
Yeah. Can anyone tell why, if the row relative frequency is same, why we can't we say that those are not associated?
F of B is less than 0. Then there must be a point between A and B in which the graph is less than F.
Hello?
Sir,
Yeah. Look,
so like for this association, kind of if it is associated or not, do we have to compare
For example,
like one particular day, 0.6 and 0.4 or 0.6 and 0.1?
stop. Just stop. There are like someone. Yeah, continue.
So for finding whether they're associated or not, do we have to compare that two values of A or the corresponding values of A and B, sir?
Look, this row 0.6 and 0.4, if the B row is like 0.58 and 0.337 or 32, oh no, not 0.58, 1 minus 0.58, how much is 0.42? Then you can say that these two are not associated. Hello, clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, got.
Yeah, that's it.
Sir, please can you explain that again? I had the problem in this.
Okay, no worries. Just listen this carefully. 0.6 and 0.4. For suppose B has like 0.58 and 0.42. Look, 0.6 and 0.58 are near, and 0.4 and 0.42 are near. So what we can say that these two are not associated. You have to compare rows, whole row, 0.6, 0.4 and 0.5, 0.58, 0.42. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then coming to, look, the same thing. Look, this is like a tabular form. The same thing can be done in pictorial form, which is known as 100% stack bar graph. What does that mean? 100% stack bar graph. It is very simple. Like, it is just a bar graph. It will say A and it will say B something, and it will clearly give the shade. It will clearly shade till where persons bought, I mean like person bought items from website A and B. If these two are near, like if these two are near, then we can say that not associated. If these two are far, not associated. If far, associated. Agree? Hello? Are you able to understand this?
Understand, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
This is like pictorial representation. The same thing, but the difference is like we are doing an 100% stacked bar chart. I think you can solve 4.2 question on your own by this. Should I solve the whole question 4.2 question number 1? Yeah, I will solve it. No worries. Like, first question is how many people visited website A? Look, website A 400. Question 1. Website A 400. Agree?
So we can say that if row relative frequencies are not same, then they are associated, and if they are same, they are not associated.
No, not associated. The same thing goes with columns also. You can do the column.
Okay.
I explained row now. I will also explain column. Just I will explain here. This is a row. I will explain here in this side. Column R. A. B. Yes. No. Look. Now 300 by 400. 300 by 400. Because column total is 400. 100 by 400. 200 by 1100. 900 by 1100. Agree? And then you can clearly simplify this. 3 by 4, 0.75. Like I'm writing 0.75. 2 by 11. How much is it? 2 by 11? 0.25. .18 and coming to B 1 by 4 0.25 and 0.82. Again, then we have to compare the columns. Remember this carefully. You have to compare columns. Here 0.75, 0.25. There is no like they are not equal. So association exists. Clear? Hello. Hello.
Sir, clear, sir. Is it very clear actually?
Yeah. Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat that just once more?
Just don't look. We have to take the column total. If you are calculating column frequency, what is the column total here? 400 for the first column. So 300 divided by 400, and then coming to the 100 divided by 400. The same goes for second column. 200 divided by 1100, and then 900 divided by 1100. Yes. Column total is for columns 2 is 1100.
Yes.
And then when you are using column relative frequency, you have to compare columns. Like, look, you have to compare like this. Like I'm 0.75 and 0.25, and like 0.18 and 0.82. These two sets are different. Clear? So association exists.
Okay.
Hello? Should I explain
Okay.
it again?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Then
Okay.
coming to the second question. How many people bought an item from website B? Like item from website B. Yes and B. 100. Question 1 is like how many people visited website A? Visitors. How many are the visitors for website A?
500.
Yeah, 500. In question 2, how many people bought an item from website B?
100.
100.
100. And question number 3, how many people did not buy an item but visited either website A or B?
1100.
1100.
Yeah. Indirectly he asked, no, like how many people didn't buy? Question number 3 is like 1100. And like there is no question number. Okay, I am giving you question number 4. Whether there is an association between website and the buying. Hello.
Yes, there is.
400.
Whether there is association between website and the website and the buying.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is association. Associate. Clear till now?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving to the second topic. Like now, what we discussed? We discussed association between two categorical variables. Now the second part is association between categorical and numerical.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sir, what if either of the row or column relative frequencies are like nearly same? In that case,
If they really same, then no association. Hello.
no, sir, one of them. Like row is not, but
No,
column
it
is.
won't happen. Look, it won't happen. Your mind will tell like that, but it won't happen. You know why? Because look, it is 1 minus this value. If one value is equal, our mind always asks these types of doubts, but mathematics won't agree for that. Look, here 0.58. Here automatically 1 minus 0.58 if you select row relative frequency. Do you agree?
Yeah, because the sum of all frequencies would be unity.
Yeah, 1. Like, so your mind may say, okay, only one can match, but mathematics won't say, won't let it. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to the next topic. Before going to the association between categorical and numerical, let's see the association between two numerical quantities. Okay. Someone is asking some doubt, I think. Hello.
So your screen is not visible.
Not visible for everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's not visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Just
it's not visible.
Yes, and no. Yes, sir, now.
Yes, sir, now visible.
And now it's fine.
Association between two numerical variables. You already completed association between, two categorical variables. Okay, how will you define association between two numerical variables?
Scatter plot.
Yes, scatter plot. Before that, you have to know what what are the two numerical variables. Look, there are two numerical. Let us suppose there are two numerical variables, x and y. These are numerical variables. Listen this very carefully. One will be dependent. One will be dependent and other will be independent. Other will be independent. I will give you the physical significance. Like, isn't this very careful? Look, always, everyone says that x is like independent and y is dependent. But it is okay, but you have to see the case. Like, if you are performing, I will give you a physical example. Let us consider you are performing an experiment. Let us consider you are performing an experiment. Experiment is Ohm's law. Everyone know V equal to IR. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. V is equal to IR.
Yes.
But what happens in laboratory is like you increase current and you will see voltage. Increase current and measure voltage. Agree? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Laboratory. So you exactly know the current values, like one current is like 1 ampere, 2 ampere, 3 ampere. This is independent. Because you are increasing it, but voltage, it is not in your control. It is dependent. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this is what like physical significance of dependent and independent variables. I mean, like, coming to whenever you draw a scatter plot, remember this very carefully. X-axis must be independent variables and y-axis dependent. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember this. This is very, very important. And coming to, if someone like someone, okay, you drew the scatter plot. Let us suppose the scatter plot comes like this. How will you find the association? How will you decide there is association or not? Next question we are addressing is like, how will we decide association?
Sir, we will perform the visual test and then we will see the pattern.
Look, that is like there are some direction and curvature. Variation and outliers. I will explain all this with a graph. Like, don't worry, I will explain all. I think everyone knew what is outliers.
Yes, sir.
From the week 1.
Yes, sir.
And direction. What is my direction?
Increasing and decreasing.
Trending up or down. Look, for suppose, I'm taking the, let us suppose the till here. If you see the graph till here, it is like trending upwards, increasing. Agree?
Yes.
And then if you see from this side, it is like somewhat decreasing. And coming to the curvature, whether there is a chance of curve, this is curvature. And coming to the variation, this, listen this carefully. Like, this variation is a little bit tricky. We need to check whether the points are tightly clustered along the pattern. Like, for suppose all the let us suppose the graph is like this. Look, there is a variation, but there is a, all the points are clustered, grouped over a straight line. Are you getting the point? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
this is known as variation. We have to see the variation. All the points are varying, but those everything is clustered for a straight line. Like, and coming to the outliers, look, if there are some points like this, these are known as outliers, which which are away from the expected expected trend, or which which fakes the data. It always
Which
diverts the
doesn't
data.
follow the pattern of the data.
Pattern, yeah, pattern, or it always fakes the data. Like, and then coming to the measures, how will you, this is curvature. How will you measure association? How will you measure association? Covariance and correlation. Some say it as correlation coefficient. Can anyone tell what is covariance? Hello? Hello?
Yes, it quantifies the strength of the linear association between two numerical variables.
Yeah. The important term is linear association.
Yes.
These both will, covariance and correlation both quantify the linear association. Look, there are two types: population covariance. Covariance is denoted by COV of two variables x and y is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar. X bar is mean, and then yi minus y bar divided by n. And coming to the sample covariance. Sigma equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar ya minus y bar divided by n minus 1. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, clear.
What are the units of covariance? Units of covariance. Simple. Just check what are the units of x-axis units into y-axis units. Because we are multiplying xi minus x bar and yi minus y bar, so those are like x-axis units into y-axis units. And coming to the correlation. Okay, can covariance be negative? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean?
Both are like having opposite values.
Hello, what does that mean? Negative correlation. Hello?
Slope is negative.
Slope, not like the physical significance. If slope is negative, it must be negative, but what does that? Okay, slope is negative, I agree, but what does that?
The deviation of the data is negative.
Look, what happens is that
Deviation from mean is negative, like we can say that.
That is not physical significance. Listen this carefully. This is physical significance.
तो तुमने अपने भाई के साथ क्या किया? देखिए मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ। नियम की गोली ताकि हम
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Small values of x leads to large values of y, or large values of x leads to small values of y. You're not getting this?
Confused.
Yeah. I'm like, first of all, let me explain like with an example. Look, if one, let us suppose this, let us take this example. Like x is 3 and y is like 30, x is 4 and y is like 20. And if you take the mean, the mean is like 3.5. X bar is 3.5. Agree? Y bar is equal to 50 divided by 225. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Xi minus x bar. 3 minus 3.5 minus 0.5 and 0.5. Ya minus y bar is like minus 5 and 5. Agree? If you multiply these two, it is like 2.5. 2.5.
Sir, in below one it would be -5.
So y minus 20 minus, yeah, sorry, minus 5. Okay. What is this? Sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar. Clear till now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Listen
sir.
carefully. Small values of x are association with large values of y. Look, 3 and 30 are one order difference into 10. So what is happening here? The correlation coefficient is, the correlation is negative. Look, the total sum is negative. Whenever, and the other condition is that they must be decreasing. Slope is negative. Someone said slope is negative. Slope is negative, and the small values of x or small values of y association with large values of x or large values of y. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear till now?
Clear.
Hello, clear till now?
Your display is
Hello.
not showing.
Yeah, don't do. Just don't do. Yeah. Clear till now?
Yeah.
Can you 1 second explain X bar and
Okay, sir.
And then coming to the correlation. Correlation is denoted by R. The formula for correlation is summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar by root of summation of I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar whole square into summation of I equal to 1 to n yi minus y bar whole square. Or this can be simply written as covariance of x comma y. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is the correlation formula. These are sigma x and sigma y are standard deviation of x comma y. Do you have any doubt regarding this? Like any doubt in activity question?
Hello, sir.
Do you have any
Hello.
doubt regarding this? Like covariance? I mean, like this topic, association between two numerical variables.
Sir, I have doubt in practice assignment 4.1, question number 2.
Question number 4.1, question number 2.
Sir, can you please explain the concept of good fit line that?
Okay, I will discuss about that.
Yes.
4.1, question number 2.
Sir, screen is not visible.
Not visible for everyone.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
the
The
screen
screen
is
is
not
not visible.
Is that not visible? Okay, sir.
4.1.
Yes.
4.2. 4.2, question number 2.
Nice. 4.1, question number 2.
4.1. Oh, practice assignment.
Yes, sir.
One question. Just wait, I'm coming. Consider the set of points. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is the question? Consider the set of points. Is it the question?
Yes, sir.
Consider the set of points.
2,6 or 3,8.
4.1. Practice assignment. To consider a set of points 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 14, 10 comma n. In the xy plane, what should be the value of n be so that the correlation between x values and y values is 1. So here they gave the correlation. What is that? Correlation between x and y is equal to 1. That means r is equal to 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So look, I mean, like, you can go through the original approach, but as this question is like little bit, you can follow the some shortcut method. We have to find the straight line. Straight line.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, question number
2, 4.1, question number 2.
Yes, sir.
Practice assignment. Look, we have to find the straight line. If it is perfectly straight, then r equal to 1. R equal to 1 implies perfectly straight line. Agree?
Yes.
Yes.
So we can select any 2 points like 2, 6 and 3, 8. I am selecting 2 cases, 2, 6 and 3, 8 and 4, 10. 2, 6 and 4, 10. Agree?
Yes.
2, 6, 4, 10. Look, find the line equation. Using this, you can find the line equation using this. I think it is discussed in max 1 course.
Yes.
Let us find slope. Slope equal to 8 minus 6, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 3 minus 2. 2 by 1. That equals to 2. Agree?
Yes.
So slope point form. We will use slope point form. Y minus y1 equal to m into slope x minus x1. We'll select this point. Y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 6. Y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 12. 2x minus y. I am taking all this side. 2x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Agree?
Yes.
We'll do the same thing this side also. Slope is equal to 10 minus 6 divided by 4 minus 2. 10 minus 6, 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Slope point form. Y minus y minus 2 is equal to 2 into x minus 6. We are getting the same equation. Hello. 4, 4 minus 2. We are getting the same equation. We have to check the other things also. Okay. Leave about. We got the same equation. Now the next thing you have to do is like substitute all the values like 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10. Substitute 4, 10 in this. 2 into 4 minus 10 equal to 0. 8 minus 10 minus 10 equal to minus 12. It is not equal to 0. Are you getting the point? 4, 10. Substitute 4, 10 in this equation. We have done some mistake. Hello? Okay. Yes. I have done here small mistake.
Yes, sir, there is a mistake.
Y minus y1. Yeah, y minus 6 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. Yes, 6. 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Agree?
Yes,
hello?
sir, agree.
Yeah. And then coming to this side. y minus 2 is equal to, sorry, y minus 6 is equal to 2 into x minus 2. 6, 4 minus 2. We are getting the same equation. No worries. Or you can select the next, like this point also. Y minus 4 is equal to 2 into y minus 10 is equal to 2 into x minus 4. Nothing. I mean, you can do either way. But you have to find using this equation only. If you don't want to go to the other case, then what will happen? What you have to do is like substitute all the points. Like substitute 2, 6, 4, 10. Now let us substitute 4, 10 here. 2 into 4 minus 10 plus 2. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. Agree? Hello.
Sir, there will be minus 2x, no?
Where?
Sir, in the box.
No. I am taking all this side. 2x minus y. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you got a line equation. This is line equation. Now you want to check whether look, you got like, you have to check 4, 10, 5, 14, and 10, n. Check 2, 4, 10. 2 into 4 minus 10 plus 2, but equal to 0. 8 minus 10 plus 2 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. So 4, 10 follows the same straight line. Now we are checking 5, 14. Hello, are you following? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Check 5, 14. What is 5, 2 into 5 minus 14 plus 2. 10 minus 14 plus 2. 12 minus 14 minus 2 not equal to 0. So 5, 14 is not following the straight line. Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
So whatever you do, r, you can take any value, but r will not be equal to 1. R will only equal to 1 if it follows the straight line perfectly. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Agree.
So the answer is no straight line is possible. No value for n can make r equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
You know? Or the other method that I mean like you have done this method. Now other method is like select 2 points, find a straight line, and then select these 2 points, find a straight line, and select these 2 points, find a straight line. Are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Straight line equation. Straight line equation will differ. Like, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yeah. Any other doubt regarding the, I mean like association between two numerical variables?
No, sir.
Yeah, someone raised their hand. Who is that? Yeah, you can ask the doubt, like if you have any doubt.
Sir, I have a doubt in AQ 4.3, question number 2 and 3.
What is 4.3? Activity question.
Yes, sir.
Just wait, I'm going. 3. Question number
2 and 3.
What percentage of bought items were from C on that day? Okay. Is the question e-commerce website? Hello?
Yes, sir.
E-commerce
Yes.
website question. Yeah.
Yes.
I'm drawing the activity 4.3. Question 1. Items bought didn't buy total. A, B, C total. 1,000, 1,500, 4,000, 6,500, 2,000, 4,000, 20,000, 26,000, 3,000, 5,500,
பஞ்சாயத்து கட்டணும்
24,000, 30,500.
அது லாஸ்டா நம்ம இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்து கட்டுறோம் இல்லையா லேட்டா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா கால்குலேட் பண்ணி மைனஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க
M. Senthil Kumar, please mute.
நம்ம கரெக்டா கிரெடிட் வர்றோம்னா நமக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா 2 டேட் கொடுப்பாங்க நம்ம தான் லாஸ்ட் மந்த் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் லேட்டா தானே கட்டணும்
Hello guys.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes.
Yeah. Listen carefully. What is the second question? What percentage of the bought items were from C on the given day? Percentage. Read the question carefully. Percentage of items bought are from C on given day. How will you proceed?
Sir,
Look.
sir, by taking 4,000 upon 6,500 into 100.
Yeah, 4,000 divided by 6,500. Why they clearly mentioned percentage of item bought from C on the given day. What are the how many items are bought on a given day? Total items 6,500. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Sir,
Hello? Yeah,
I have a doubt.
your turn.
Sir, practice assignment 4.
Practice assignment
4.
Practice assignment.
Question 20.
Practice assignment 4. Just wait. I need to. Just can you wait 2 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Meantime, website is loading. Just wait. In the meantime, you can ask other questions. Just wait, please. Four point four. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Activity question. Activity 4.4 or sorry, assignment question or practice assignment or activity question.
Practice
There are
assignment
only
question 20.
Okay, you said 4.4 practice assignment. Okay, there is no such thing. Okay, practice assignment 4.1
Yes,
or
sir.
4.2.
4.1.
4.1 question 20. Just wait. You said 4.4. That's right. Question 20. Huh? Yeah, there are only 4 questions, bro. 5 questions.
I
Hello?
think 4.2, sir.
4.2.
4.3 question number.
Question number Only 17 questions in 4.2.
Sir, I am talking about the practice assignment.
Yeah, practice assignment 4.2, 17 questions.
So 4.3 question number, please.
Just please check that 4.2. I mean, there are only 17 questions. Okay. Someone is
So
asking.
at the last, there is practice assignment not graded week 4.
EMQ or
No, sir, not EMQ.
Sir,
only
in any practice assignment, there are no 20 questions. Highest
that's
is 17 in
17. Yeah,
practice
that's
assignment 2.
okay. Next, someone is asking another doubt. Hello.
Activity question
Explain the
4.3.
concept of fit line.
Oh, I will like explain. Don't worry. Just wait. I will explain. Hello. Someone is asking question on practice assignment. Hello. Okay, I'm explaining the fit line concept. Straight line fit. Actually, this is known as, I mean, like regression analysis also. Oh no. Don't use that term now. Look, what happens is that when your data is concentrated on this part and you drew the, I mean, you have drew the line in this way or in this way or in this way. How will you say which line is, I mean, perfect fit? Which line is best fit? Are you getting the point? Hello?
The black one.
How can you tell by just looking?
It is containing most of the points.
Look, like,
Which has more concentration of points around it.
look, you have to measure SSC, sum of squares of errors. In Max 1, I think you guys studied about this.
Yes,
But
sir, we are studying this.
every time SSC is like, I mean, like, it's not like SSC is good, but sometimes SSC value is like very high, like sum of squares of errors, like. So we prefer this correlation coefficient. Correlation coefficient. R. That's why in Excel or in Google spreadsheet, when you fit your data to a line, you will get R equal to 0.95 or R equal to 1, R equal to 0.77, something like this. What defines R is like the whole data. Whole data. I mean, 77% is the goodness, like goodness of the fit. Are you getting the point? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Some say 0. Have you heard this term strong correlation? Correlation is strong. Negative correlation. Negative correlation. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Negative correlation. Strong correlation.
Yes, sir.
Look, if R value is 0, that means
No association.
No. I mean, like, no straight line is possible now. Like, no straight line is possible straight line relation is possible. When r equal to 1, perfectly straight line. Perfectly straight line.
Strong association.
If r equal to -1, it is also a perfectly straight line. But what is the difference?
Strong negative linear association.
This is known as negative correlation. What does negative correlation mean? This is positive. Can anyone explain what is negative correlation? The name itself says that. Negative correlation. If one increases, other is decreases. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear till now? So the best
sir.
fit straight line can be, found using this correlation coefficient R. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
you can
certainly.
someone is asking something. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can ask. Clear till now?
Yes, sir.
And any other questions regarding this concept, like association between two numerical variables? Hello guys, ask some questions like
So
no
here
doubts.
we have to take out R, find the value of R, and then we will conclude that if it is a perfect straight line or perfectly anything like that.
Yeah, R value tells that, it follows the straight line trend. If say R value is 75%, then it says that 75, the correlation is like 75% with the sliding equation. Are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So greater the R, the best the fit is.
The greater the R?
The greater the R, if R tends to 1, it is like perfect straight line fit. If R is -1, it is negatively correlated. That's why in Excel, look, that's why in Excel or in Google Sheets, they describe R square value. Did you see that? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So whether look R, if R is 1 or -1, it is a perfect straight line. So they say R square, like if R square is 1, it is perfect straight line. Nothing more than that.
Sir, is R square square of R square?
Huh? Hello.
Can you explain what is capital R square?
No. Oh, sorry. Capital I put capital. This is small R square itself. Don't worry. Small. Coefficient, like correlation coefficient square. And then any other doubts regarding this topic? Association between two numerical variables.
Sir, activity 4.7, question number 1. I have doubt in options like in the concepts.
4.7, question number 1. Question number 1. It is a theory question. Choose the wrong options among the following. Correlation is a measure of quadratic association between two variables. Is it true? Hello?
Sir, in the last option, it is given that it implies that correlation coefficient between them must be negative. Sir, is it always the case?
Yeah. I will explain you that. Look, in option they said wrong options. If both the variables are taking negative values, then it is not compulsory that it must correlation coefficient must be negative. Hello. It can be positive also.
Sir, can you give an example?
Like example, look. Let us take the same example. Here. Let's put all negative values here. Hello.
Yes, sir.
-3, -4, -30, -20. Calculate this. No, not this. Like just stop. -3, -30, -4, -60. Calculate. X bar equal to -3.5. Y bar is equal to -45. X minus X bar. Y minus Y bar. 3 minus 3 plus 3.5, 0.5 minus 0.5. Are you calculating?
Yes, sir.
Minus
15. Minus 15. 25. Yes.
Did you calculate?
Sample deviation.
I already calculated. You can check the calculation.
Sir, it is asking about the correlation coefficient.
Yeah, look. Correlation coefficient R is equal to covariance of X comma Y, sigma X, sigma Y. Okay, it is 15. Look, what is the sigma X and sigma Y?
Population sample deviance.
Like, calculate that. Like,
Okay.
it will be positive. I mean, like, it will be positive most probably. Look, calculate that. Look, you can calculate easily. -3 plus 0.x minus x square. 0.5 square plus 0.5 square.
So +1.
Did you calculate?
Yes, sir, +1.
Yeah, sigma x is how much is the sigma x?
5.4.
Why are you taking this much time? Here you have values. You have to just square it and add them. Plus 0.5 whole square divided by n. What is the n value? 2. 0.5 into 0.5.
0.5 by 2.
.25, which is sigma square root 0.5, and then coming to the same sigma y. It is 15. 1 by 0.5. That equal to
we are not supposed to divide, right? Because covariance divided by gets cancelled. The standard deviation, are we supposed to divide by the
Yeah,
number?
you have to divide R equal to covariance of x comma y divided by sigma x sigma y. This is the formula, like. Hello. Did you complete it? Hello. This covariance is equal to covariance of x comma y equal to 15 divided by 2. That is equal to 7.5. So 7.5 divided by 0.5 into 50. 7.5 divided by 7.5. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Hello.
But what I was saying is covariance is 15 by 2.
Yeah.
And numerator, denominator, we have root 2, which is again 2, that 2. So that can get cancelled, right? So in denominator, you can just do the sigma of x square, x minus the mean square. The numerator, instead of dividing the numerator by 2 and
you can use that
denominator
formula.
also.
Look.
Yeah.
R equal to, there is other formula also. What you are telling is the other formula. Sigma I equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar to yi minus y bar divided by root of sigma n equal to 1 to n x minus x bar whole square into sigma I equal to 1 to n y minus y bar whole square. You can use this formula.
Correct.
Like both are same, like, but I want to like discuss the covariance in this. That's why I use this. Nothing more than that. Okay. Then any other doubt? Hello. Hello.
Sir, for finding the correlation coefficient, the covariance will be population covariance.
Yeah, population covariance.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Sharanya. I have a doubt in row relative frequency and column relative frequencies.
Okay. I have
So,
discussed that in the beginning of the class.
actually, I joined now, so I couldn't join that time.
Yeah.
So, sir, can there be a case where row relative frequency are same for all rows, but column relative frequency are not same for all rows?
I explained this earlier, but it is very, like small thing. Just look, why, like our brain says there might be, it might be possible, but mathematics says no. I will tell you the reason why. Look, let us fix this as 0.25 somewhere. A and 1. A, yes, 2.5. No. Look, automatically no will become 1 minus 0.25. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the point? If this becomes 0.3, automatically it becomes 1 minus 0.3. If you are considering row relative frequency.
Yes, sir.
So we have only choice of one thing. Other thing is automatically 1 minus that thing. So what happens if one thing is, like if one matches, this also matches. Like, are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
If one set matches, for suppose this set matches. If this set matches, and only you are telling that, sorry, I am considering this. For suppose, as you said, only 0.25 and 0.3, only these two are matched. Automatically, as it is 1 minus this thing, 1 minus 0. These two will match. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason why. Our mind says it might happen, but mathematics says no. That is clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, I have doubt in activity 4.3 question number 2.
Activity 4.3, question number?
Question number 2.
Right, it is loading. Question number 2. Actually, I discussed it, man. Just listen this carefully. Percentage of items bought are from C on that day. What are the total number of total number of items bought in that day is 6,400. And from C, 4,000. 4,000 divided by 6,500 into 100. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Any other questions? Hello?
No, sir.
You guys have any other questions? Like, okay, in the meantime, I will explain the last part of the week 4. Can anyone tell what is the last part of the week 4?
Association between numerical and categorical.
Yeah. Association between categorical and numerical variable. Let X be numerical and Y be categorical. For suppose let Y be any dichotomous variable. What does dichotomous variable mean? It can take only two values. Di means two values, 0 or 1, yes or no, something like that. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. So, yes. Do you know analogy? What is meant by analogy? Do you guys, anyone heard about analogy?
Yes, sir.
What does that mean?
Comparison.
In simple word, can we take whether this is comparison between two?
Yeah. If you know one thing, you try to correlate with other thing. For suppose, like the formula for RP, look, for suppose there is, let this one thing be two numerical variables. Association between two numerical variables. What is the measure? Correlation coefficient. What is the other measure?
Covariance.
Yeah, covariance. Same thing when it comes to, if you apply the same analogy for this association between categorical and numerical, there is one thing which is known as RPB, which is known as Biserial correlation coefficient. which RPB is equal to y0 minus y1. I will explain what is y0 minus y1 bar divided by sigma x root p1 minus p1. P1 and P1. Look, y0 bar is equal to mean of values coded with 0. Are you getting the point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Y1 is similar to like that. Mean of values coded with 1. Coming to the P0, proportionality. Simply written as n0 by n. Number of values which are 0, which have 0, coded 0 divided by n. P1 is n1 by n. Clear? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you substitute all these values, RPB is equal to y0 bar minus y1 bar divided by sigma x divided by n0 by n, n1 divided by n. Now listen this carefully. Now sigma x, there are like two possibilities. Population, this is population standard deviation. Sigma x is population standard deviation. Agree? Hello.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah. Now in problems, if they give Sx, sample standard deviation, we can alter this formula. Look, let's see, sigma x is equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n x minus x bar whole square divided by n. Root Sx is equal to root of I equal to 1 to n x minus x bar whole square divided by n minus 1. Agree? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello guys. Now square them. Sigma square into n is equal to summation I equal to 1 to n x minus x bar whole square. Similarly, Sx square into n minus 1 is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to n x minus x bar whole square. Clear? These two are equal. So sigma square into n is equal to Sx square into n minus 1. So sigma square is equal to Sx square into n minus 1 divided by n. Sigma equal to root of Sx square into n minus 1 by n. Sigma x is equal to Sx into root of n minus 1 into n. So substitute this thing here. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You will get the final thing. Right?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. You can ask.
In activity 4.9.
4.9.
9.
Okay. I'm going with the display.
Yes.
This is the final RP. Activity is
4.9.
Last question.
4.9 question 9.
Just wait. Question
9.
Activity.
Yes, sir.
Activity question 9.
Hmm.
One of complete the value.
Sir,
value of
sir, 2.
Just apply this formula. Just see.
So I'm not getting it.
Look. Y naught is equal to 937.5. Y1 is equal to 455. Sx
Not visible, so.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just do that question. You will get the answer easily. Hello. I'm getting the answer. Same. 482.5 into 0.4 divided by 217, I think. 0.889. Are you getting the answer?
Uh, uh, yes, sir, I got it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then why there is very less number of people in this session? Like maximum.
Screen is not visible, sir.
Yes, I stopped the screen sharing. Don't worry. Hello. Why there is very less number of students? The utmost is like 80, I think, this session. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why yesterday there were many? I mean, like 150 or 180 members.
They left. I think.
Any other doubts? Hello. Okay, then I'm closing the session. Hello. Hello.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, regarding quiz, can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Sir, in the quiz, like are we getting like 40 questions?
No, not like 40 questions. Whatever you get, you can do in the time allotted by them, 1.5 hour or 3 hours. Okay? Don't worry about that. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
by what time the admit card will be issued?
What? Admit card? I don't know regarding that. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Okay.
Sir, can we get the previous questions?
Yeah, they're on like you can check supplementary contents.
I think, sir, not there.
I think weekly mock. Weekly mock.
Sir, your
Just
voice is breaking.
try in weekly mock, like use
So you
weekly mock for practice. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I use weekly mock for practice, and most probably all the graded assignments. Okay.
Okay.
The question level will be like graded assignments only.
Yeah, most probably graded assignments. Some look, we actually every time graded assignment, the level is like somewhat medium level, not hard. It will test basics like graded assignments, basics and application, some application based questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Excuse me, sir, I have a small doubt. Sir,
Sir,
am I audible? Hi, can you tell me something? I have to ask a general doubt. I recently got a message about a quiz that's being held. Can you tell me when is that quiz?
Where
What's
did you
up
get that mail like message?
on WhatsApp of official IIT Madras online learning on
Like,
my WhatsApp?
yeah, there should be like link or something if there's a quiz.
So it's saying, dear learner, announcement on the TA doubt clearing sessions foundation level. We are conducting special TA doubts clearing sessions every day for the foundational level courses. Please click on the schedule given below. Please make use of these sessions. So this is Anshi Jain.
Well, like these are for the TA sessions, like we are preparing for the our qualifier exam.
So no, it's written, please make use of these sessions for quiz 1 and clarify your doubts. So what is
Quiz
this
one,
quiz
like
1?
they are
Are you a
for
qualified student?
like
No,
did
I'll
you
be
have
giving my qualifier exam this 16th July.
no like
Yeah, quiz one
have
is
you
for
entered
JEE.
this course by JEE?
No, no, I entered this course on a regular based entry. I've
Yeah,
completed all
that
my.
is
Because quiz one is for the JEE students.
Oh, so why did I get this message then?
I guess they are talking about the qualifier exam for 16 July.
For 16 July, right? So I've
Yeah.
completed all my assignments of week 3, and it says that now I'm eligible to give my qualifier
Like,
exam.
yeah, I also got that message. Like on the dashboard there is a message like you are eligible for this yes or no, like
Yes,
there's a
yes.
message.
Yes, sir.
And today
That's
I got
Well, actually, don't call me a sir, like I am same age as yours.
no. Has sir left?
Yes, sir has already left.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So basically, there is no extra quiz, right? Because
No.
one day
Only
what happened?
there is a qualifier exam.
Okay, one day what happened? We had a mock something.
Mock test,
Mock. Yes.
week 1 and week 2. Mock test was for week 1 and week 2, actually.
So mock. 1 second. Who is speaking? Is anyone else speaking? No. Okay. What I was saying was, one day there was a mock assignment of maths and statistics only.
Yeah.
And I wasn't updated because I did not see any of that in my
Yeah.
dash.
Same.
when
No, it was showing only like subject wise. Like if I open my
Like in the
stats tab,
subject, and then I go on that.
mock test.
No, when I go on the grades, there it shows mock 1, week 1, and week 2 of mathematics and statistics only. And I did not get any of the emails stating that we have
Same
a
here. I did not
mock
also got
test.
it.
So
I
I did
didn't
not,
also got it. Like my friend
and
has told me also.
and my statistics mock test, actually I could not attend that. The uh, date, the due date passed away.
Yeah, maths was 29th actually.
That is why. So that is why I was asking: is there any quiz that, like this quiz is, it is available on the website, or we have to give afterwards? Where we have to give that?
That qualifier exam.
No. Quiz 1.
Quiz 1 will be
Card
like
message आया है WhatsApp पर. Please
no.
make use of these sessions for quiz 1.
That quiz 1 is actually the qualifier exam.
Qualifier exam only, right? Okay.
Yeah.
That was the main doubt. Okay.
Yeah, that
What's
was.
your good name?
Well, my name is Samarth.
Thank you so much, Samars, for helping me.
No problem.
Okay.
Like if you have any doubt, you can contact me.
Okay, sure.
Let me do you use any social media or something like?
No, actually.
Okay, I'm giving you my mail. If you have any doubt, you can drop the message there.
Okay, sure.
You can just mail
Is
me
it
there.
this SRVPK? This
Yeah,
one?
yeah. That's my mail ID. You can drop the your doubt
Just
there.
a second. Just a second.
You can take screenshot.
Yeah, sure. So what's your name? Samarth?
Samarth Vashne.
Okay. This is Anshi. Thank you for
Yeah.
helping.
Sure, no problem.
Okay.